2026 Toyota HikeCruze Motorhome 6x6 takes the go-anywhere attitude of a hardcore off-roader and combines it with the comfort and convenience of a compact luxury home on wheels. It's built for travelers who want true independence, the ability to drive far beyond the campground and still sleep in real comfort when they get there. From the outside, the 2026 HikeCruze Motorhome 6x6 has a serious expedition-ready presence. The bold front fascia features a wide grille, LED headlights, and a high-clearance bumper for excellent approach angles. Behind the cab sits a purpose-built motorhome body mounted on an extended chassis with 3 driven axles, giving it a long, stable stance. Aggressive all-terrain tires on heavy-duty alloy wheels, wide fender flares, underbody skid plates, rock rails, and an elevated ride height all signal that this is not a conventional RV. Roof rails, an integrated side awning, optional roof rack, and available snorkel complete the adventure-ready look. Step into the cab, and the HikeCruze immediately feels like a modern Toyota. You sit high in supportive seats, trimmed in durable fabric or available leather, with a commanding view of the trail ahead. A large central touchscreen runs the latest Toyota infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a fully digital instrument cluster can display navigation, off-road data, and key vehicle information at a glance. Multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and an available premium audio system keep you connected and entertained on long drives. The cab also integrates key motorhome controls, such as battery status, water levels, and climate settings, so you can monitor your living systems without leaving the driver's seat. At the heart of the HikeCruze Motorhome 6x6 is its advanced 6-wheel drive system. Power is sent to all 6 wheels via a reinforced transfer case and heavy-duty axles with selectable drive modes for sand, mud, rock, and snow. Locking differentials, low-range gearing, and sophisticated traction control help you keep moving where standard motorhomes would be forced to stop. Steep forest tracks, rutted access roads, and soft surfaces are exactly what this vehicle is built for. Under the hood, a torque-rich powertrain such as a twin-turbo V6 or high-output diesel depending on market is tuned for durability and low-end pulling power. It's paired with a robust automatic transmission calibrated for smooth highway cruising and precise low-speed control off-road. A strong tow rating allows you to bring extra gear, trailers, or toys like bikes, quads, or small boats. Move into the motorhome section and the HikeCruze transforms into a comfortable living space. A convertible dinette and lounge area serves as your daytime living room and can quickly turn into an extra bed at night. Depending on configuration, you also get a dedicated fixed bed for true arrive and sleep convenience. Quality cabinetry, soft touch surfaces, and efficient LED lighting create a warm modern interior. The compact kitchen includes a cooktop, sink, refrigerator, and smart storage for food and cookware. A wet bath with integrated shower and toilet makes the HikeCruze genuinely self-sufficient. Freshwater and gray water tanks, an onboard water heater, and optional exterior shower fittings extend your comfort far from serviced sites. Off-grid capability is supported by roof-mounted solar panels, a high-capacity house battery bank, and intelligent power management systems. Shore power hookups and an inverter charger system give you flexibility when you're at a campground or base. The 2026 Toyota HikeCruze Motorhome 6x6 is expected to start around $165,000, with well-equipped expedition and luxury trims reaching close to $195,000 depending on options and market. Considering its blend of 6-wheel off-road capability, integrated motorhome comfort, and Toyota reliability, it targets serious overlanders and long-range travelers who demand a single vehicle that can truly do it all. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Grand Cars, and tell us in the comments, would you use the HikeCruze Motorhome 6x6 for full-time overlanding, long expeditions, or the ultimate weekend escape rig? Thanks for watching. Drive safe, explore deeper, and keep moving forward.